In front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, click on the same one. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and hit the Location section. Then click on this switcher next to Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!